So here's what I do every night. Once my kitchen is nice and clean and I'm just done cooking, I light a candle, just like that. Everything is nice and clean. And it helps me to reset for the next day. This is so crucial, especially when you have kids, right? So I light my candle. Let me close up this dishwasher. And I walk all the spaces, make sure everything is put away. Same thing over here. My daughter left stuff like that. It's okay. I'm not going to worry about that. But just make sure everything is put away. I light my candle. And I come over here. No, I'm kind of walking fast. And I turn my fireplace on. And it's going to burn for about 10 minutes. You'll see it come up. And on my countertops, I decide if I'm going to use some lavender or something citrusy. And because I'm going to do some work tonight, I'm going to use some lavender. And I'm going to drip some on my counter, just like this. Drip some on my counter. You saw that? Just a tiny amount. It's about 6 drops. And then I have a sink with some just Dawn soap and water. Or you could use vinegar and water. It's up to you. Then I'm just going to wipe the area with that lavender. And already the place smells so amazing. It smells so good. And I just hit up all the countertops with it. Everything's already been disinfected and cleaned. But I just like it because it gives your house such a nice smell. And that's it. Just like that. And then I'm gonna turn the lights off. And I turn this one on only. And then I'm gonna set up over here in a minute. And I work on my planner. Or I do my budget. Or anything work related, business related. The kids are in the bed. Husband's sleeping. And it's really late. It is 10:40 at night. But 20 to 30 minutes a piece, you'd be surprised. And by the time I'm done, I'll turn the fireplace off because by then the house is just smelling fresh and clean. I like to treat myself to some wine, cheese, and crackers. It's just me, it's late at night, and it helps me unwind. So in the comment section, list your favorite midnight snack or late night snack. And what are your favorite cleaning hacks that you use to keep your house smelling fresh? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.